Alright, time to get out of the new car. Come on. It's time to get out. Now you don't want to get out of the car? Come on. Alright, come on.
Speak? Speak? Hey, where'd your glasses go?
Wait.
7 just chilling.
Wait. I lost it.
It's alright, Juicy. You guys stay in the car for just a minute. I know.
Aslan, I know you stole my shoe. Go pick it up and bring it back. Go get it. Go pick it up.
Come on, get out of the bathtub. Come on. Let's go for a walk. Come on. I'm not turning on the water. Come on. Come on.
Come on. Shower time. Yeah? Come on, get in the shower. Tammy! It's shower time. Why not?
What's up? Zeus, you wanna go for a walk? Gotta get off the couch. Come on. Come on. The hardest steps are the ones off the couch. Come on. Get out of bed. Come on. Zeus. Get out of bed. Come on. Come on. I'm making the bed. Come on. Get out of bed. Say hello. Good girl, Luna. You. No, I love you. Come on.
Come